Welcome to Class 7 Mathematics, Chapter 6, The Triangle and its Properties. Today I am going to discuss the angle sum property of triangle. Now we can see what is meant by angle sum property of triangle. The statement is like this. The total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. You have to learn the statement only and you can prove this by an activity. You have to draw a triangle ABC just like given in the figure and color with the different colors with its three angles. After that you cut the angle array and arrange it like that given in the figure. So you will get a semicircle. And you know that angle in a semicircle or angle in a straight line is 180 degree. So we can say that sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now we can move to exercise 6.3. Our first question, find the value of the unknown x in the following diagrams. Triangle ABC is given and three angles are given. One angle is 50 degree, other is 60 degree and the third angle is x degree. We know that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Now we can substitute the values. That is x plus 50 plus 60 equal to 180 degree or x plus 110 equal to 180 or x equal to 180 minus 110, that is x equal to 70 degree. Question number 2. Triangle PQR is given. We have to find angle R. We know that by angle sum property, what is meant by angle sum property? The sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Which are the angles of this triangle? Yes, it is angle P, angle Q and angle R. Its sum equal to 180 degree. Now you can substitute the values. So we get x plus 90 plus 30 equal to 180 degree or x plus 120 equal to 180 or x equal to 180 minus 120 equal to 60 degree. Next question number 3. Triangle XYZ is given. By angle sum property of triangle, we can write angle x plus angle y plus angle z equal to 180 degree. Now we substitute the values, we get x plus 110 plus 30 equal to 180 or x plus 140 equal to 180 degree or x equal to 180 minus 140, that's equal to 40 degree. Now question number 4. Triangle is given. Two angle of same measure, that is x, and the third angle is 50 degree. So by angle sum property of triangle, what is angle sum property of triangle? Yes, the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can write angle x plus 50 degree equal to 180 degree. While adding, we get 2x plus 50 equal to 180 or 2x equal to 180 minus 50 equal to 130 or x equal to 130 upon 2 equal to 65 degree. Next question number 5. A triangle is given. All angles are of same measure and that is equal to x. So we can apply angle sum property of triangle, that is the total measure of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Hence we get x plus x equal to 180 degree or 3x equal to 180 degree or x equal to 180 upon 3 equal to 60 degree. Our next question, question number 6. Here it is given a right angled triangle. One angle obviously it is 90 degree. Other two angles are x and 2x. So by angle sum property of triangle, x plus 2x plus 90 equal to 180 degree. Or 3x plus 90 equal to 180. Or 3x equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90. Or x equal to 90 upon 3 equal to 30 degree. Next question number 2. Find the values of the unknown x and y in the following diagrams. Before solving this sum, we have to recall what is meant by exterior angle property of a triangle. Look at the figure here. 120 is the exterior angle of the given triangle. So what is exterior angle property of a triangle? Yes, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. By using exterior angle property and angle sum property of triangle, we can find the values of the unknown x and y here. So first we can follow or we can use exterior angle property to get the value of x. That is 50 plus x equal to 120 degree by exterior angle property of triangle. That is the sum of interior opposite angle equal to exterior angle. Therefore, x equal to 120 minus 50 equal to 70 degree. Now we have two angles of the triangles and we can find the third angle by using angle sum property of triangle. That is 50 plus x plus y equal to 180 degree. That is by angle sum property of triangle. Now substitute the value of x. We get 50 plus 70 plus y equal to 180 degree. Or 120 plus y equal to 180 degree, or y equal to 180 minus 120 equal to 60 degree. Hence, x equal to 70 degree and y equal to 60 degree. Our next question, question number 2. Y equal to 80 degree by vertically opposite angles. 80 degree and y are the vertically opposite angles. Now we got two angles of the triangles and we can find the third angle easily by using angle sum property of triangle. Now 50 plus x plus y equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of triangle. Now substitute the value of y. So we get 50 plus x plus 80 equal to 180 degree, or 130 plus x equal to 180 degree. That is x equal to 180 minus 130 equal to 50 degree. Hence x equal to 50 degree and y equal to 80 degree. Next question. Look at the figure carefully. Exterior angle of the triangle is given as x. So we can use the exterior angle property. What is meant by exterior angle property? Exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angles. That is exterior angle is x here. So x equal to 50 plus 60. That is x equal to 110 degree. Now we can find y. The two angles of the triangles are 50 degree and 60 degree and the third angle is y. So we can write the sum of measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That means 50 plus 60 plus y equal to 180, or 110 plus y equal to 180 degree, or y equal to 180 minus 110, that is equal to 70 degree. Thus, x equal to 110 degree, y equal to 70 degree. Next question, look at the figure. X is the vertically opposite angle of 60 degree. Now we got two angles of the triangle. So by angle sum property of triangle, we can find the third angle of the triangle. So 30 degree plus x plus y equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of triangle. Now substitute the value of x. We get 30 plus 60 plus y equal to 180 degree, or 90 plus y equal to 180 degree, or y equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degree. Hence we get x equal to 60 degree and y equal to 90 degree. Our next question, look at the figure. We can write y equal to 90 degree vertically opposite angle. Other two angles of the triangle are same and it is given x. Hence by angle sum property of triangle, we can write x plus y equal to 180 degree, that is 2x plus 90 equal to 180, or 2x equal to 180 minus 90, that is 2x equal to 90, or x equal to 90 upon 2 equal to 45 degree. The x equal to 45 and y equal to 110. Now our third question, look at the figure given. Y equal to x, that is the vertically opposite angles given here. Now we can mark angle 1 and angle 2 in the figure here. This is angle 1. Here it is angle 2. Hence, now we can see angle 1 equal to x, that is vertically opposite angles. Angle 2 equal to x, that is also vertically opposite angles. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle y equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of triangle. Now substitute the value of angle 1 and angle 2. Hence we get x plus x equal to 180 degree, or 3x equal to 180 degree, or x equal to 180 upon 3 equal to 60 degree. Hence x equal Thank you.